Hi everyone, Mr. A here. I am going to provide you with a little bit of a supplemental to my supplemental video that I just realized that there's one little object that shows up in your render and you don't want it there. It's an extra scarf. It's not actually an extra scarf, it's a meta cage, or what they call a mesh cage, that controls the scarf, and it renders out as looking like a scarf. So what I wanted to show you is how to turn that off. So in the outliner window over here to the right, I'm just gonna open this up a little bit more. Okay, so we can see it. And then if you look down inside the sky container, there's a GRP sky container and then a mesh container. And inside that mesh container, if you scroll down, you'll see it's a Geo Scarf Mesh Cage. And you'll see it's hidden here. And if I show it, you'll see if I click on both of those, this is what the mesh cage looks like. But if I hide that, you can't see it, but in the render you can. And just so you're aware, there's this little filter icon in the upper right corner of the outliner window. And if I click on that, then I can get to this little icon here. And this little icon, if I hover over it, says disable and renders. So I'm going to click on this so it shows this icon in the filter. And now you'll see that it's actually checked. So I want to uncheck it. I want to make it an X in there. And what that will do is it will hide it from the render when you actually do end up rendering. So that's really key. That's why if you've already rendered it and you're wondering why you have this extra scarf object, this is it. So uncheck it and then you're good to go. All right, have a great day. Bye.